very small dining room, unless there's another one somewhere else. There is.
I saw one.
Saw one hiding. Oh, around where?
Out there and inside.
Ginger beer cocktails. Yes, please. Calm yourself.
Poppadoms. I know, it's
Chanting. Got the signature bread service here with what? And what are the sauces? We've got,
don't know. Got
black-eyed pea hummus.
You're pointing wrong down there.
Some kind of yogurt substance and a spice that they made themselves.
Indian herbs.
And what?
And poppadoms.
Good.
Poppadoms.
What's your verdict? Which one have you tried so far? Oh, you tried all of them? Do you like them? Do you like one of them? I just did my Marge noise.
So nice. Vegetable curry.
I'm so disappointed. I didn't see the sides on the menu. And I have half a plate of food. Which looks amazing, but I would have got a side.
Look at chicken and potato.
Yummy!
It's a Brazilian chocolate ganache with caramelized banana, raspberry sauce, and it's got sea salt on top.
Is it raspberry coulis?
I'm not sure.
There's the word for raspberry sauce.
Beautiful. Okay, and I've got a mousse with hibiscus flower and I don't know, but it's pretty, it's beautiful. Caramel chocolate cake and it's got Mickey on it. Mickey Mouse. Do you like it? Is that good? You can put it onto your dessert if you want to. You can eat it.
Look, I'm going to make it really beautiful.
Okay, make it beautiful. Make it beautiful. That's just as good as Rivers of Light. Better, in fact. Ta-da!
We've got 4 different types of cheeses on your cheese plate. We've got your Red Hawk, your Tomei, Purple Haze goat cheese, and your Midnight Moon goat cheese. We've got some honeycomb, fig almond cake, cardamom almonds. Your little golden cubes are a passion fruit petit fruit, and your toast is a fig anise.
Lovely. Aww. Happy birthday, Jan.
Thank you. Make cheese out of cheese.
You just said that.
The main ingredient of cheese is cheese.
No, it's not.
My cocktail is real cheese.
The main ingredient is pineapple.
The more you drink, the more you know.
Indeed.
But the stuff you know is incorrect.
That's why I know everything.
I drink and I know things.
I'm the oracle.
I am the oracle.
What do your Avatar dolls think about it here?
They love it.
They love it. I love it too.
I feel flattered.
Oh, I got really tripped on.
How are you eating all that?
Come on then, ginger baby. I think we got to go, Mum says.
Good job.